Hello everyone, this is Keena with Flossie Blanks. I'm here today because we got these new sublimation watch bands in. I'm going to do a second video of how to sublimate on these, but I want to show you guys in this video how to put them together so you're not being confused. So we do have two sizes available. We have the 42-44, that's the bigger one, like for the men's size. And we have the 38-40, which is the smaller size for a woman. These come in with their little hardware pieces and little plugs and all that type of stuff. I'm going to show you every piece that comes with it in each package that you'll get, and then you'll just be assembling them yourself. I do have a Apple Watch myself. This is mine. I took my bands off. These are bands that I had bought from somewhere else. I took them off, so once I put it together, I can show you guys how it fits on here. So what we're going to do is, so you have this, you have the long piece, you have the shorter piece. This actually comes off, so when you sublimate, that's gonna be taken off, but I'm gonna leave it on there for now. You have these pieces. You got two long arms, and then you have one shorter arm. You have the two end clip pieces that go on this part of the band, the end parts of the band. Two of those. You'll get one ring for to hold the arm, hold the flap in, and you get the little hand piece. So you'll get all these pieces in each pack. So we're gonna go ahead and assemble. So for this end, you're gonna use the longer one, right? You're gonna put that through the hole here, and then on this one, you're gonna use the longer one for the fat end. So you're going to have two long ones. Remember, two long ones, one short one. So this long one's going to go through this end. They have holes on the end. So it goes through there. And then the shorter one will go through the part where the ring goes, right? Where the little hand goes. So this little hand, it's going to go in the middle. And I am going to make sure I'm putting this on here right. And I believe it goes like this. So see how this is bent like this? I mean, the round, the hoop, the slope is right here going up in my hand. It's going to go in here like this, okay? Because you want it to be where the curved part is going to go over the other part. You're going to stick the little short arm, this part, through the hole. And it's going to actually go through this part as well, since that's in there. And put it back in there. So you hold that in there, push it through that hole, and it goes all the way through to the other end. So you see how that's on there. So you see how that sits, where this curved part is going curved like this. So if it was to, let me show you how this one sits. So this is my watch band. You see how the curved part sits like that, because that's the way it needs to go. All right, so we got those on there. This is the ring part for this part. Now it is a little tricky to put this one on. It's a little hard if you don't have nails, or maybe it's better when you don't have nails. So you're gonna pretty much slide it onto one side of this, your little hand, the little arm thing, and then put it on the other side. So it has holes on the inside parts here and here, okay? So make sure it goes underneath this flip, little finger or whatever you want to call it. And you're going to put it on one side, and see how it sticks out on the other side? So you're going to try to retract that side back enough. So this is why I have fingernails, so I'm just retracting it with my fingernail. And I'm going to slide this over. Now this is not an easy part. This isn't easy to do this. So if you have some type of tool that you can use or whatever, then I suggest you using something that can hold that little piece back for you. And then it just, hold on. Get this back on here. I let it go on the other end. Didn't mean to do that. Let me show you. Just retract it back. I can still do it with my fingernail. Enough where this little piece can come right over it. I tried this earlier and this is pretty hard. So if you have some like little tool or something, there you go. So now that's on there, just like that. You got your band on there. You still have the little end arm piece that's right there. And then you're gonna put these on there. Make sure the part that you see that's got this light silver on the inside, that's gonna go down, right? So it's gonna be down. So that little part is gonna go down on your band, okay? Once again, it's you trying to put it in here because it's got the little pieces, the little holes on each end. It's gonna go around. Stick it through one hole on the one end. I'm gonna do this retracting thing again if you can get it in there. And this is all to be done after you finish sublimating. So this might be easier for me because I did it. So see how that just, so you got those two pins, and then on the inside of these are two circles or two holes, and you're gonna put it in there. So make sure that gray part is facing down. You're gonna do the same thing with this one. The gray part right here is facing down. And you're gonna do this on this end of this. Same thing, retract back the little piece. Slide this over. It should pop right in there. And you'll hear it snap. I don't know if you guys probably can't hear it snapping. So now the band is completely put together. And then I'm going to slide it onto my watch here. This is a female. This is 3840 millimeters watch. So this should fit my thing just fine. You see, it slides right in there. And then this end slides. Oh, I bent it. Slides right in there. And now you have the whole watch put together. So then you're going to put it around your arm. I'm gonna put it around my arm. Pull your little thing up. And voila. And I don't have it on real tight or anything like that. Pull your little leather strap over the thing to hold it in. And bam. You got a whole watch put together. I'm gonna scoot that down on my wrist. It's not tight or nothing, so, but it fits it perfect. And this is a Apple Watch. This is a 3840 millimeter watch band, and then we also have the men's size that is 4244, which is bigger. Same rule applies for this one, putting it together just like this one. So if you didn't get it the first time, of course, rewind, pause, so you'll see what we're doing. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this back off. Just show you how you take it off the watch. So, you know, these watches come with this little piece that clicks in. So that's why that gray plate piece is at the bottom, because that's the push button pretty much to slide, be able to slide this off easy. Do the same thing for this one. All right. So I'm going to take this apart, and I'm going to do another video with me sublimating on it so you guys can see what the print's going to look like. So this is one that I had bought off of Amazon a long time ago. It's like a Burberry print. And pretty much these watches almost look the same, except this one is pointed at the end, and the ones that we have are actually rounded at the end. And I believe the men's is rounded at the end as well. So pretty much the same size watch band. And this one's a little bit longer on here, but you don't really need that much longer. And that's how you put it together. So you'll be able to order these on the website as soon as we test one out. You guys will be able to order these on the website. We do have a limited amount because we want to see how these sell. A lot of people want to customize their own watches, and I think it's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna put something on here that I would want to have on my watch as a custom watch, maybe my Flossie Blanks designs. Not sure yet, but we'll figure that out. You can shop with us, FlossieBlanks.com. That is our sublimation website. We do have other things that are non-sublimation items. We have a couple baby hats. We have some garden flags. We haven't put them on the website yet. We have garden flags that you would use vinyl on. So we have quite a few things that few things that are not sublimation, but 95% of our website is sublimation items. So you can check us out. Once again, that's FlossieBlanks.com. You guys have a good night. Be blessed.